Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to take your followers to a funnel, the 48-hour AI playbook for selling your first digital product. This is someone that sold over $10,000 in a month with digital products with only around 14,000 followers on Instagram. So this is the system that turns an existing audience into a paying one using one weekend, one digital product PDF, and we're going to be using Claude for AI here. As always, this guide will be first link in the description, completely free if you want to expedite your process of making money online with AI. Join the AI Money Club. If you don't make your first $1,000 in 90 days, full refund, no questions asked. Great, let's hop right into it. So the real problem, you're already doing the hard part. You're posting, you're growing. I will have social media creator videos out as well if you're still struggling to figure that out, but the income still stays zero. And you've been telling yourself you just need to grow more and you'll get more brand deals. But besides, like, brand deals are great income. I do brand deals, but the real income comes from when you can monetize your audience in a way in which you don't have to be thinking to be making money. So who this is for? It's built for creators posting constantly with zero monetization, people who have never sold digital product before and don't know where to start. I've done dropshipping stores before, newsletters, audience in the 50 to 500,000, 50,000 range. I think if you're over 50,000 or maybe even over 100,000, there's some better methods that I'll cover that you should be doing, especially with AI. And anyone tired of giving away their best knowledge for free, because I think that's how you build the best community. That's why I try to do with AI. Everything I learned, everything I'm seeing when I'm investing in it, everything I saw when I studied it, and what I'm doing to capitalize on it to make more money for myself. I'd skip this if you're not posting all yet. I think it's really focused for creators, hence the followers. But if you're still interested, watch till the end. What you'll have by Sunday night, if you start this on Friday, a priced digital product, live landing page, an automated delivery flow, comment, DM, buy, file in the inbox, simple, easy, a content system where you can post content about your offer, and a first sale repeat buyer bridge that's ready to run. This entire flow, I think that this is the most important step. I see way too many people not know how to, well, just in general, do an email funnel, let alone a comment funnel. Like, an email funnel is when you gain someone's email address from a newsletter or from a product, and you walk them through a series of segmented emails over maybe a month, 2 months, a few weeks, with the ultimate goal of getting them to buy something. So let's go into the weekend timeline here. Actually, if you start this Saturday at 8 a.m., we're going to start by identifying your offer. We'll get into that right here. Saturday in the PM, you're going to build the project with Claude, and then you're going to build your landing page. This could sometimes take 2 hours, but I put 1.5 just to be concise. You're going to set up your automation. This can take 30 minutes if you know what you're doing, but this guide will walk you through in probably an hour. And then you're going to wire up the content system another hour, and then the first post goes live. So a total of around 8 hours of focused work across 2 days. And the way I try to think about this before anyone that's watching continues this video is, how much money would I have to make in my first month for this 8 hours to be worth it? And I think you can do that based on your salary. So if you're making $100,000 a year, right, divided by 52 weeks, you are making this much a week, right? And let's say you work, I don't know, 40 hours a week. This is how much your time is worth an hour. So we'll times that by 8. So for someone that values their time and making $100,000 a year, working 40 hours a week, they would have to make around $400 just off this system for it to be worth their time per se. And if you price a product at $25, I mean, that's 40 units sold. Wait, no, that's 16 units sold. Wow, I'm tired. 16 units sold. There are 8 billion people on this earth. 16 people can buy your product. If 1, it looks good enough. 2, if it gives good info. 3, the payoff is good enough. And 4, it doesn't look terrible. I was going to swear there. We're trying not to swear in this. All right, section 1, identify the offer. So this will probably take around 60 minutes here. This is a dense guide, so I'm going to try to fly through certain parts, so this video isn't an hour long. Again, if you want a full in-depth course, on content creation and monetizing with AI. I'll have a full 10-hour course built out in the AI Money Club. But again, I want to give out as much free content away for free so people can see that this works. And if they want to elevate their game even more, that option is available. So the 4-question poll, answer these in writing, don't skip. The next 4 sections are all built on what we write here. What transformation are you ready to help with for free? So for me, it's anyone that wants to learn AI or make money with AI. What questions repeat in your DMs and comments? For me, it's what tools and how did you learn? What got saved or shared most of your top 10 posts? It was a few, for me, it was a few just AI posts. What's the next logical step after someone consumes your free content? For me, is they consume free content. Hopefully they try it and they either, 1, make money, which is great, and realize they can make more if they joined and got consultation from everyone in that community of me. 2, they try and it doesn't work, so hopefully they come back and either iterate or join the community to learn how, since it's risk-free. Or 3, they don't try it, but they can see the value in it. So run through these for yourself. The 4 value drivers. A great $7 to $97 offer hits at least 3 of these. I think it should hit all 4. Speed gets them somewhere faster than figuring it out alone. Again, I'm going to relate it back to the AI Money Club. It would take someone, I think, a lot longer than 90 days to make their first $1,000 online if they were just starting from scratch with none of the guides, none of these videos. Clarity, it's a clear value prop. You make $1,000 in 90 days, you get your money back. All using AI online. Confidence removes, am I doing this right? That's why I love communities, and I think like a PDF for this offer is also good. There should be a place where if someone gets confused or there's a roadblock, because in every single AI money method I know, there's always going to be roadblocks. There's going to be bottlenecks, and there needs to be someone like me, or there needs to be a community of people that have gone through those same bottlenecks together so that no one feels lost. If that makes sense. And then specificity, built for the exact situation, not a generic version. When I first started, I was just going to do broad AI, and then I realized I'm just going to target the people that want to make money with AI online. And then you're going to format a decision tree here. So pure knowledge, a PDF guide, you can do that, or a course, a repetitive task as a template, unclear path, a roadmap or checklist, and then skills they need to build, mini course, as I said. For this weekend and for this video, we're just going to do the default PDF. It's the quickest, it's the most beginner friendly, and then I include some pricing anchors here as well. This is really premium product. This is more advanced, I would say. I would not suggest a beginner to do this. I think this is more the sweet spot if you have over 5,000 followers, and if you're under, maybe price it a little less. And again, you can always scale pricing. My recommendation for your first product is start at 27, and maybe you have a cohort of 100 people. And once you hit 100 people, the price goes up to 47 or something like that. Deliverability, a single sentence that fills in the template. I help blank audience go from before state to the after state with the format in the time frame for this price. So an example of that would be, I help small account creators go from 0 brand deals to their first 10 in 30 days with a $27 PDF and a 4-step DM template. If you can't write this sentence clearly, don't move to section 2. This first section is really important, that you nail down exactly what you're going to be delivering and why your audience would want it from you. And again, if you don't have an audience yet, you should be building your audience in a certain sub-niche that you can sell to. So section 2, build the products with Claude. You can use Manus for this as well. I've used both. They're both fine. Why use a Claude project, not just chat? We've talked about this a ton on this channel. A Claude project gives you the model. It gives the model persistent context. You upload your past content, your offer statement, the audience. Research once, and every conversation, it knows that. So for the project setup, I'm going to fly through this because it's pretty basic. Create a new project. Name it whatever you want, whatever product you're selling. Add the custom instructions, who you are, what the audience is, and the offer statement. And then upload the project knowledge. So top 10 posts you have, 20 to 50 DMs showing the pain point that people are asking for. Because I think a big thing with this is you want to do a bit of market research to make sure you're selling to an audience that actually wants what you're selling, right? You can build, and I've done this when I was first starting out, you can build out a great course and no one buys it because no one asked for it, right? Interviewer method. Wow, I'm just one step ahead of myself today. Do not ask Claude to write a PDF. Instead, have Claude interview you first. So the interview prompt is right here. Just copy and paste this in. Again, this doc is in the first line of the description. Structure the deliverable. After the interview, ask Claude, pros and table contents, rate each section. use your phrasing examples, and you want it to sound like you in a PDF, because if people know your content, they're going to know if it's AI slop. Don't give them AI slop. It ruins your personal brand. Voice fix prompt here as well, free of charge. And the output format. Google Docs or Notion. I'm clearly on Notion right now. I think it's better. But to each their own. Let me actually make a note of that for later. This is literally live. I do these in one take, but it just occurred to me I should have a Notion link for you guys in these guides, in case you wanna get started. So I'm just making a note of that for me to do that once I'm done filming. So time check here. Let's move on to section 3. Again, long guide here. It's a longer video today, so it'll probably take 90 minutes. This is probably the most important part so far. So you can do Stand Store, you can do Gumroad, or you can do a Beehive premium offer. I use Beehive. I'm a very loud Beehive advocate. I've used Gumroad and I've used Stand Store before. For most people, I'd say start with Gumroad. It's free mostly, and you can start a Stand Store maybe after like 20 sales or something. Don't reinvent the page structure. I see way too many people trying to do this, and the page is messy, and it converts 0.001% of the time. Headline. The transformation in plain words. We just talked about this, 8 to 12 words. A subheader. Who's it for? The format, time frame, 15 to 25 words. The problem. 3 bullets the reader recognizes in themselves. What's inside. Who it's for. The about you. Don't make this more than 80 words. Honestly, 80 words is a bit much. Maybe 70. FAQ, CTA. CTA should just be a buy button. Don't overthink this as well. Landing page prompt, if you want to run it in your Claude project. Right there. Design notes. Always focus on mobile first. Always, always, always. A lot of your traffic is going to be coming from social media. It's going to be coming through this automation that we're going to set up here. It's going to be coming from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I've made some great websites, and they look great on desktop, and then I check them on mobile, and I'm hitting myself in the head because I should have just started there. Send up the automation. This automation has 3 jobs. Someone comments the keyword on a post, they get a DM with a link. Someone buys, they get the product file to their inbox immediately. The email goes to your list for future offers. You should be building an email list for future offers, past buyers. I'm a big email guy. A lot of people sleep on the power of email. Let's just put it that way. And the beauty with this is people can buy your product, and you could be asleep. You could be working out at the gym. The automations run 24/7. And the best automation platform for this is ManyChat. I should add a link for that as well. Let me do that. Connect ManyChat to your Instagram account. Some people have access to TikTok as well. YouTube, I just do it manually. Keyword. So it could be like, I could be showing an AI tool, for example, and I'm like, comment the word AI below, and I'll send you this free guide, right? And then instead of just doing a free guide, because I'm just trying to provide value, you could send them straight to the PDF. So it's like, if you want, let's do a weight loss example. If you want to lose 20 pounds in a year, comment the number 20, and I'll send you the PDF. And that just delivers them straight to the store, right? Pick a sticky keyword. This is actually really important. Don't make it too long. When I first started, I would do keywords like basketball, when ball is just so much better. You want the friction of them typing the word to be 0. So like funnel's good, deal's good, stuff like that. And then the delivery comes straight from the Stamp Store, Gumroad, or Beehive. It just delivers automatically. A little bit about email capturing here. And then you want to test the whole chain before you launch. So from a friend's account or another Instagram account you have, comment the keyword, make sure the DM arrives. It should arrive instantly. 30 seconds is a bit long. Click the link, complete a purchase. You can refund yourself after. Make sure it gets delivered to your email address. You can download it. You receive the sale notification, and then the buyer email shows up in your email tool for later. Let's see, what else do we have? It's a content system. Yes. Oh, just died. Content system. So the principle, right now your posts point at follow me. After this, they should point at follow me, but also buy my thing. The 3 types of posts. Problem post, name the pain your offer solves, the reader feels seen. Proof post, a result of screenshot. And then process post, how your buyer can actually buy it. You don't want to be selling 24/7, but you want to be selling some of the time, right? Like for every 9 videos of value I do, I probably do 1 upsell, and that 1 upsell pays the bills. Hook structures that work. You probably see content like this all over the line. These are just ones I like. I achieve blank result in time frame. Here's the system. Most people fail at blank because blank. If I was starting from zero today, here's exactly what I would do. That's a great one for the weight loss example. CTA pattern, every caption ends the same. Comment the keyword and I'll send you the thing. I'll have a whole ManyChat section in the school community and some free videos up on YouTube as well of how to set up the comment funnel the most optimal way. Bonus here, the bridge from first sale to repeat value. The first 24 hours of the sale, send a personal DM thanking the buyer. The first 50 buyers should get this. Build that trust, build that community, and answer one question. What's the number one thing you want to figure out from this? Save every answer in doc and upload it to your Claude project, and then get testimonials. This is something I'm starting to do for the AI Money Club. 3 to 5 days, say, hey, quick favor, is this PDF product working for you? Mind sending it over. If they're saying it's not working for them, refund them. Make the product better. If your product is good enough, no one will ask for a refund. Trust me. And then build the next offer from the data. We'll have some videos coming out on this in the future as well. Weekend checklist here. This is just for your personal use. Tool stack, Claude Pro. You can also use regular Claude. Now you want Claude Pro for this because the project's at $20 a month. Gumroad's free. Stands $10 or $30 a month. ManyChat's the free plan for the first 2 weeks. This works because you're just testing this. Canva's free. Email tool can be free. Yeah, it's like $30. So if you price something at $19 and you sold 10 of them, you're 10xing. You're 10xing your costs. This is why I made the AI Money Club, because there's so many ways to make money online, and just like testing them with a group of people that have had success and want to test other things is amazing, because the more stuff you test, the more avenues of wealth you have come your way. A little FAQ here. I'm not going to run through this. If you want more guides like this, I've mentioned it a few times, join the AI Money Club. And then a final note, the audience you've been building was always going to buy something. The question was just whether it was going to be your thing or somebody else's. That is so true. This weekend, you fix that. If you're watching this on Tuesday, start it today, finish on Thursday. Subscribe. There'll be more. Subscribe. There'll be more AI Money content coming out. More guides like this. Yeah, deuces.